So I'm standing here beside my van. I don't have my full setup, but I have most of my setup. And coming inside my van, right here I have these two collapsible totes with side access. And I keep my gear in there. Very messy, but I can just reach in there and grab things that I need pretty easy. And they also have a top that comes with them, but when you stack them up, you have to take one of the tops off. It can be like a cutting board. Here's my bed. It's probably dark in here. I have my coat laying on my bed. I just keep that raincoat with me. I have this little chair here. I cut the legs off so my head would have plenty of room. And then coming in behind, I hope it's not too dark, I have my refrigerator, 12 volt, running off my solar battery. I don't keep too many drinks in it. I can drink room temperature water, but I have a couple cans of soda in there now, but mostly for berries, smoked sausage, and some things like that. Then coming back out of my van, I got these two shower curtains attached with magnets on the back of my van. And then coming to the rear of my van, I just have my pillows. Just trying to give you a view of the bed. And looking in, I like to keep my cooler here, my refrigerator, because I can just reach in real easy from the back. Or if I'm sitting in my chair, I can reach behind me into the refrigerator. Or if I'm laying in bed, I can just reach over real easy and grab something out of the fridge. I do have the rechargeable fan there. I have two more smaller rechargeable fans that I use to keep air ventilation at night. Also, I have the Rody door tent, which allows me to keep the window down at night. Also, I have the mesh screen on the front windows. I can keep these windows down at night as well. I also have one for my moonroof, but I've only used it once when it was really hot. Looking into the driver's side, I just use for storage at the moment. I did bring my 12 volt Boundless Breeze fan, which I can plug into my solar battery. Taking a look in the side door. I have this window panel out right now because of the window tint. Taking a look underneath the bed really quickly. I have my solar battery, which is a Yeti Goal Zero 400 with a chained in 33 amp hour battery. I'm also going to buy another 33 amp hour battery to chain to the other side. It has two ports. It has these convenient ports for chaining additional batteries. Also, I have my solar panel stored on the other side. It's a briefcase panel. I don't have it out right now, but I'm not going to need it because my battery is at 100% still. And I'm going home tomorrow. Coming around back to the other side, I have my grill over here. I got this grill on Craigslist for 40 bucks. And it was in near perfect condition and even came with the operating manual. I happened to look it up on Home Depot. It's $240 right now, so I feel like I got a great steal on that. Coming around to my stove, which I use to cook and make coffee with the French coffee press. Coming around to my sink area, what I have here is a pump shower. What I have here is a pump shower with the spray nozzle. And a self-contained drain tank. Here I have the rechargeable and a little soap dispenser there. Coming around to this side, I have my Hasika awning on the side of my clam shelter. I have used it on the side of my van also. I wanted to try it on the side of my shelter, and I like the result. I can put it over the doorway for a covered entrance, but right now I just have it on the side of the clam. I did get the rain fly for my clam. I'm happy about that. I have the sides up on it right now, except I have one side down. So you can see, you can put the sides all the way up or all the way down, all the way around. All right, thanks for taking a look.